That was a hot little video. That was my people. The question I have to ask all of you: do guns kill people? That's the question. Let's get it.
Hail to the no! Hail to the no! People. Damage.
That's true.
Nigga Red said some ill
with the
shit when he
instruments.
said it. I can't remember what he said.
What?
But he said something ill. Like, I asked him that question. His response was different. Like, I wanted him to say, no, guns don't kill people, but, you know, he put a twist on it, which was kind of dope. Real dope. So, this is right here. This is what Chrome got. Chrome got the same version.
Yeah, I think we have like almost the same guns, bro.
You got one too? The Maverick?
Yes. That's funny. That's some funny shit.
So when Red went and got his Springfield, he's like, yo, I just bought the Springfield. So then I said, I'm gonna bring my Springfield out. Same exact one. Same exact one. It's funny as a motherfucker. Same one.
And he got my first gun was his first gun, the same Taurus.
The Taurus.
You had the Taurus too?
I traded it for.
I did too.
I traded it for the Canon, but I had to put money into it also.
So the funny thing was, I gave my Taurus to my homie.
Okay.
Like my best friend, I gave it to him because he needed it. So I just gave it to him. Because I'm just a nice guy. Very good.
Yeah.
And a lot of people compliment the Maverick.
Oh.
Yeah,
Well, whose is this?
That's that Taurus, ain't
That's
it?
yours?
Which one?
The Taurus.
Yeah, that's mine, yeah.
All that shit is, ain't it? Except the beginning, all that shit is. This nigga that went and got an arsenal like out of nowhere. Like,
Right.
when I met him, he only had, what, 2 guns or
2
one?
guns. 1 gun, I
You
think.
just had the Taurus?
The Taurus, yeah. And then my girl was coming down, so I was letting me go buy another one. I got the Glock. And then my homie was coming around, so I let me go buy another one. I got the Springfield Armory.
Yeah, and I got the same joint. I didn't bring my shit.
What?
I think he got that. You see that the Glock he got right here. That shit right there is something that I really.
You gotta go.
That's crazy.
That shit's pretty.
So you got this from the show?
Yeah, I got that from the show, yeah.
This one and...
And the 40 cal.
If you had them on sale cheaper than what he had in that first. No, but I found it was black gold. Oh, okay.
Have you shot this yet?
Nah, I ain't.
What's that one?
This out. Try this out. Oh! We don't want that to happen, ladies and gentlemen.
I don't understand. It locked in the other day. You take a bullet out.
You want to go ducks or you want to go to man?
There you go. Now it's locked. No drop.
Go to Miami again.
It took that much energy to get this right.
That boy good.
I was amazed. I was like,
Yeah, nice.
Pew pew. Wait, no. Let me hit it with the shotty real quick.
Okay.
Since it's already torn up.
It's already torn up.
Shotty's gonna murder it.
Hey man, leave that paper alone, man. This paper ain't do shit to y'all. I got it on video.
Bruh. Even though if I haven't used this in so long, bro.
Where you found it? Yeah, that ain't mine. Nah, I'm saying, it might be somebody else.
Damn.
Yeah, put it back.
That's his whole neck.
And you look like a kid too.
That's his throat.
That's what you look like. You're. I can stand it up.
Shoulder.
No, just my hand.
Shit. I don't know.
You ain't pump it yet. You ain't.
Hey, let me see.
School him. If he don't know, teach him.
Are we ready?
Exactly.
So he step back a little further.
You're right.
So that's the safety?
Yeah.
I think it went right to the arm of mine.
Do you love the Lord?
Or the ear, you know?
No, it's right on.
Right to the arm.
Yeah. Put all of them in this. Do it here, right? Yeah.
Oh, right shoulder.
Till it
Right
stops.
shoulder.
How many in hole?
That's spent.
Did you get that?
If you crank it one time, you can put one more round in.
Oh.
So there's one in the chamber, and then you can add one more. That's what it is.
Go ahead, Red. Get a piece of that. Hold on, bring it in, dog. I like the handle. The handle is cool.
Oh, that was in the middle. That was in the gray.
Did you crack it? No. Hey.
I keep knocking that shit off the motherfucking thing every single time.
All right.
There we go.
I'm telling you, stay away from my daughter.
Son, you got a daughter?
No.
But I'm just practicing.
Okay.
Looks like Muff might be buying one of these soon.
This shit right here? This shit right here? Bruh. The sound alone.